Can you say hi? Say hi, Mom. Look at me.
He's sitting up like a big boy.
Where you
Oh,
going?
all four limbs, eh? It's daring. You're paralyzed with self-consciousness over there?
Henry, say something. Don't you have something to say? Come on. It's a newfound friend. What's that? Is that your foot? It's kind of like the dog that growls at his own leg.
It's true.
Tilting.
Speaking of dogs, here's one.
Alrighty. Come here, buddy. You're starting to tilt. Whoop. There we go. There you go. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Tick, 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 tick.
Those feet are awesome.
Ay, ay, it's a, ay, ay, it's a.